Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to use Clipboard in Android phone. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Open your chart, then press here. You can see here Clipboard icon, press here. Then press on add. Then type here text, hi, how are you? Then type here shortcut. For example, I type HW. Then press on save. Then again press on add. Type here I am fine. What about you? Then type here shortcut. For example, IF. Then save. If you type HW, you can see here hi, how are you? Select and send it. Type IF, you can see here I am fine, what about you? Then press it. That's it guys, so in this show you use Clipboard in Android phone. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.